is a beach channel swing bridge. Carries New York City Metropolitan Transit Authority Railroad. Now this bridge crosses the Jamaica Bay, located in Queens, New York, and is swung open for boats and ships, and now it's going to close for train transit. See, it's closed, and you see the trains going over it already. So, and see, yeah, it's in Queens, New York, and it's still in service for rail traffic, and it's still operable. So, yeah, so that's where it's located, Queens, New York.